This AI platform will pay you $20 per hour to work remotely from home. And the best part is that you don't need to have any special skill. You don't need to be a developer, programmer. You don't need to know how to code, be video editor. Anybody can participate in this. If you can read and write, do basic things online, you should be able to participate in this. And the best part is you can use your mobile phone, you can use your laptop, so anyone you prefer to use. So if you have a laptop, you can decide to use your laptop. If you have a phone, you can decide to use your phone. So make sure to watch these videos to the end. Let me go to my laptop screen and show you guys step by step how to go about this. So guys, once you come to this platform here, you are going to come to this side I said future project. So this is where I want you to apply. So once you apply for this, once the project go live, they'll approve your application. So here you are going to see coding specialist, freelance AI trainer project. You are going to see Hindu language specialist, freelance AI trainer project. You are going to see Korean language. You are going to see Thai voice acting specialist. You are going to see Japanese language data contributor. You are going to see Korean language data contributor, audio specialist. You are going to see English Singapore language specialist. So all this one, you need a skill to apply for this. But if you are somebody that you don't have a skill, you just know how to use your phone, or you know how to use your laptop to do basic things online, I will want you to apply for this AI generalist. As you can see, no experience required. Hope you can see this AI generalist, no experience required, freelance AI trainer project. So you are going to click on it. You can do this from your phone, and you can do it from your laptop. I just want to show you guys using the laptop screen so that you can see it very well. So once you come to this place, you are going to see they will write everything here, all the information you need. So if you cannot read and understand what they just write, I will want you to just click it and copy everything. Once you copy everything, paste it in ChatGPT. Once you paste it in ChatGPT, ChatGPT is going to break it down for you and explain everything for you. Hope you understand. I don't want to start going through everything. I don't want this video to be too long. I don't like making my video too long. So I want you to finish this video and continue with what you are doing. So once you come here, you see apply for this job. So this place you are going to put your first name. This place you are going to put your last name. This place you are going to put your email. This place, click on it, select your country, any country you are watching from. This place you are going to put your phone number, right? This place you are going to type in your phone number. This place you are going to put in your resume, like your CV. So you are going to upload your CV here. This place you are going to your education. They'll ask you for your education, your degree, your discipline, the year you start your school, when you end your school. So they are going to ask you all this. So make sure to go through them and fill everything. You can see what country are you currently reside, what country are you currently resident of. You can see it here. So you are going to read all these things and answer the question. They are very simple, right? So the application is very simple. Anyone you don't understand, just copy it and paste it in ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT will explain it for you, and you will know what to answer there. So this place, you see, please acknowledge that you have read and agreed to our privacy and policy. Then you click on this yes, make sure to mark it. So after you mark it, you are going to come to this place and submit application. So I've already applied for this particular job. That is why I'm not doing it in this video again, but I just want to show you guys how you can apply for this. This thing is very simple. Anybody can do it. Like I said, any parts you don't understand, copy it, paste it in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will explain it for you. So if you like this video and want to keep seeing opportunities that you can use to earn money online, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. On this channel, I look for ways you can earn money online, and I'll post it here, from crypto airdrop, crypto projects, anything at all that you can do to earn money online legitimately. That is what I post on this my YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification icon, so that once I post video, YouTube will notify you first before any other person. Click the link in the description of this video to join our free Telegram channel. Sometimes I post updates there first before even making video about it here on YouTube. So see you in my next post.